Hello guys, welcome to another automatization tool that we have developed for our clients. So in this case, what is the problem? Sometimes you have accounts which have several contacts linked to it, and you have some information that is in the account, but unfortunately this information is not shown in the accounts related in the contacts related to this account. As you can see, these people are contacts of the account demonstration, but I don't know if they are users of the product or are clients, or it's not a connection in some data between the information that is in the account. For example, here I sold to this company Google Apps, and here in the contacts associated, I don't know if they are users of Google Apps or not, and they should be because I sold the product to them. So the solution that we found is that we can synchronize the information that is in module A, let's say accounts, and is show exactly the same information or modified a little bit in another module, let's say contacts. So let's see it working in a live demo. So here I have my account demonstration with 3 contacts: DuPont, James, and Martin. And as I said, I sold to this company Google Apps. However, in the contacts associated, I don't know if I sold this product to these people or to this company. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say that I sold also the Zoho apps. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to refresh the contacts associated to the account. And as you can see here, now my information is synchronized, meaning that I sold to this company the Google Apps and the Zoho apps, and it is all updated in all the contacts associated to the account. As you can see here, it was updated, and as you can see here, it was also updated. So now all the contacts share some information related to the account. So remember that this automatization can be deployed in any module. We at Mobix have done it in several modules. We can update any field and it can be modified a little bit as you saw in the example, or it can be exactly the same. For example, in the accounts I put the field client yes, and in the contact I put client yes, and it runs automatically. It means you never will have to do anything, just update information on the accounts and it will be automatically displayed in the contacts. So what are you waiting to bring your CRM to the next level with the Mobix automatization tools? Please, if you have any questions or would you like more info, don't hesitate to contact us. Bye.